Well, will be much more extreme storms and severe weather, and also winter stuff is happening on the northeast as well. We need to keep an eye on it. All of these we're going to look at after this intro. Extreme weather over here, we actually going to see very value about the temperature outlook. Eventually will be much more cooler air for the northeast, and then eventually the northwest is going to get much more hotter and much more drier over the next couple weeks. You can kind of see this happening. You can kind of see where the area is going to be much more drier in the brown and the blue region. That's where it is happening. The rain precipitation you will see most days will be much more drier and a little bit cooler. When around April, it's going to be a little bit more wetter than some areas as well. For like 15 days outlook, but better enough to see what is happening for the rain. But it's not so much more better picture than that. Sometimes maybe March 3rd we will going to get a little bit, but much more farther we're going to see that chance. And also we're going to see something will happening the next couple weeks of very good severe weather. Never mind about that one. I was looking at probably long track. This is the European. I was looking at long distance. That's why it's look a little bit funny. But meanwhile, look like a little bit more drier in the more northeast some areas could get. But for me to keep eye on more severe weather the next couple of weeks. This is what is happening with the jet stream. When we going to see the next couple of weeks, the very good storm system on a Wednesday at like very early in the morning, around 8 o'clock, is shifting, much more shifting than going to pack some areas as well. Like at 2 p.m. On the same day, going to hit limited incidents and it'll spark a lot of lightning activity as well. We need to keep on what is happening. But it's not looking really low right now. But when we get a little bit closer, we need to keep an eye on it as well. Because you can kind of see what is very strong vorticity, what is going on. We need to keep on this ridge. You will kind of see it a little bit better, but we need to see what is happening in case it will change over time. Because this vorticity will be the very good lift for these storms. We have that, and also about the dew point, it will be good since annual as well. But, and also, it could be a little bit, but we need to keep an eye on it for as well. We need to keep on it well what is going on about like what is going to be above precipitation and below precipitation. Going to be very dry to the northeast on the 28th as well as a little bit about the temperature, a little bit cooler. You kind of see what I'm meaning, but when we get a little bit much more farther away than a good precipitation, how much rain will going to get like in the 24 hours each day. This is what we're going to get. Some areas could get to like for like each region could get like 1.6 inch all the way to like 2 inch. Some places could get as well. Some more likely just like 0.9 inches as well. But we need to keep an eye on it as well. For these precipitation, we're going to get more rain. We will get more closer to the spring as well. Another thing we need to keep an eye on what is going on with the snow as well. This is to spring, but back to the winter. Some areas could feel like back to winter because the snow could be, some areas could get to. Like some areas could get on April 1st to like 24 inches. Some areas could get. But it's not going to threat of us. But we need to keep an eye on it anyways. Like some areas could get to very good length as well. This will be the one tornadoes in the inch cavity. Some areas could get to like 24 or 26 inch as well. Most days will be a little bit dry as well. But we need to keep an eye on it in case you do see these storms. You can kind of see a very long track where these storms happening, but you can see very well on a Wednesday during 5 p.m. We need to keep on all of these storms updated for these forecasts for it changing over time and year. It's not going to be accurate, but I try to do at least like 2 days upload for it. This will be my extreme weather hour here.